on a Tuesday night. My husband and I were driving home from a first aid class, and another car came up behind me, and the driver wasn't looking at the road at all, so she smashed into me full speed, and my car was essentially crushed like a tin can. So I guess the first thing was I had a major head injury. So I had on the right side, they called it a subdural bleed, so a bleed in the brain, and a cracked skull along with that. And then my spine was crushed, and then I had to have a spinal fusion surgery from essentially my entire mid-spine from T2 to T8. And so I have 2 rods holding my spine together. And then there was many other breaks that they just kind of let heal themselves as well. So my husband actually found out about them through a family friend, my uncle, who we're very, very close with and trust with, big decisions. He had known Gary Neinstein from many years ago. And he made the call, and we've been working with them ever since, and they've been a huge, huge help. I remember Greg coming and visiting me in the hospital from day one, and I just thought that's what all lawyers did. They really are almost, as I describe, like a family-oriented law firm, in the sense that when you are their client, you almost feel like you're family. Like, they really do treat you with the care and the concern and try to help you as they would help their own family. They've essentially taken over all any interactions with insurance, and anything that's stressful in my life, there's somebody there to help me through it. And they continue to support me in my recovery so that I can recover and, I guess, focus on my recovery. And the biggest thing is not worry about everything else. I can't even express it enough how much help the Neinsteins have been and can be to anybody who may be looking at dealing with, personal injuries of any sort, really. I absolutely would recommend Neinstein and Associates, and I indeed have actually as well. But I'm happy to be here, and I'm happy to be doing as well as I am, because I shouldn't be walking. Like, I was a 99.9% chance of being paraplegic. So I'm happy to have each day as it comes, and yeah. So I'm grateful, very grateful.